like to congratulate each and every one of you for making Amanda and Andrew's A-team. They think you're all awesome and wanted to share this moment with all of their favorite people. We promise to belly laugh in the good bits. Ugly cry in the mushy bits. And later on drink like fish.
Amanda, I can't tell you how grateful I am to be standing here today honoring you in Andrew's love. We're all so lucky to have you in our corner, inspiring all of us to make amazing things happen for us. Andrew, thank you so much for being in Amanda's corner. You are the gentle giant that she needs to calm all the storms in our lives, and her cheerleader when something needs to be celebrated.
Hello.
Hi.
Squeeze.
Are you crying or stiffles from the cold? Oh.
So he came to Toronto, and man, Amanda was there. She was moved in with him when he got out of there, and they lived on Yonge Street, and I thought that was the place they were going to stay for the rest of their lives, the way they sounded like they loved it. And then we went there, and it was about 14 by 14. It was so tiny. They're perfect for each other. They made the best move they ever did, well, in my opinion, when they came out to Vancouver for us.
What strikes me about Amanda and Andrew's relationship is just how connected they are. And what I see is an intimate, trusting, and caring relationship. I have absolutely no doubt that they have the kind of love that will last a lifetime.
I love you for your subtle optimism. You really believe we can do and have anything that we want in this life. I love you for laughing with me before you even know what I'm laughing at, because a lot of the time it's at nothing. And I love you for your sweetness. When I hear you talk on the phone, it melts my heart because you're so polite and so soft-spoken. I promise to love, respect, and support you. I promise to fill our days with laughter and to make everywhere we live a home. You're the best person I know, and I can't wait to create the best life together.
Since the moment we met, there's been no one else I'd rather spend time with. Your blue eyes, giant grin, and signature bangs won me over immediately. Getting to know and hang out with you over the past 10 years have been some of the most special times in my life. I promise to always do my best to make you laugh, even if neither of us know what that's at. Your mix of kindness, determination, and goofiness are truly one of a kind. Amanda, I love you so much. You make me a better person, you're my best friend, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together.
With the love in our hearts, we will love you for life. We're happy to pronounce you. As husband and wife. Andrew, I'm ready to take
I'm
behalf of Amanda and myself, we just want to thank everyone for coming out tonight and celebrating with us. We just feel so grateful that everyone was able to come to have this group of people here together.
I've never seen a better couple, more suited to each other, more in tune with each other's thoughts. We're finishing each other's sentences like an old couple already. It's really nice, Amanda, to have you with our family. It's going to be a pleasure to be with you. Andrew, congratulations, all the best, man.